this video, I will show you how to set up a WordPress SMTP plugin using Hostinger email. For this tutorial, we will use the WordPress Mail SMTP plugin. However, you may use other plugins to do the job and they can be configured in a similar way. Before we set up the tool on WordPress, you need to get your SMTP information from hPanel. Here's how to do it. Log into your Hostinger account. On hPanel, choose the Emails tab. Select the email plan you want to check and choose Manage. Select Configuration Settings on the dashboard to find the SMTP information of your server. This includes the SMTP port, protocol, hostname, and SSL TLS encryption. Okay, now let's download and install the WordPress Mail SMTP plugin. To do that, go to your WordPress dashboard, click Plugins, and then Add New. Enter the name of the plugin in the search bar. Once WordPress Mail SMTP appears on the list, click the Install Now button next to it and then click Activate. Once activated, find the WordPress Mail SMTP menu in your WordPress dashboard and click on Settings. Scroll down to the Primary Connection section and fill in the From Email field with the email address you want to use. After that, fill in the From Name field below. Next, uncheck the Set the Return Path to match the From Email checkbox. This will disable bounce messages. Since we're using Hostinger email, in the Mailer section, choose Other SMTP. Another set of configurations under this section will appear. Enter the configuration settings you found in hPanel. For your SMTP host, enter smtp.hostinger.com. Next, select the encryption level that your server supports. Choosing one will automatically set the SMTP port, auto TLS, and authentication settings. Then, enter the SMTP username and password. Once you're done, click the Save Settings button. We recommend sending a test email to ensure the WordPress SMTP settings are working properly. To do that, go to the Email Test section in the WordPress Mail SMTP plugin dashboard and enter an email address where the test email will be sent. If you successfully receive the mock email, the plugin is set up and ready to use. And that's it! I hope you found this video helpful and make sure to check out our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.